Hey y'all, welcome back to the Pink Envelope. I have an advent calendar, a 12-day advent calendar to share with you guys. I am having so much fun looking for great advent calendars. I'm not just sharing any or all. I'm not a resource for advent calendars. I'm a resource for the best advent calendars. The first one I did was a book advent. You can see it up here. Loved it. This one is a jewelry advent. So I found this designer, YSM Designs. If you've been around here, you already know I love her subscription box. And several of y'all get it now. Well, she was like, I'm going to do a 12-day hand custom made jewelry advent calendar. Do you want one? And I was like, yes, I actually need one. Please and thank you. Y'all, it's even cuter in person than I thought. So it comes like this. So if you are thinking about getting somebody a gift, the presentation is outstanding on it. If you're thinking about just getting yourself a gift, I think that you should. So this is the YSM Designs Advent Calendar, the 12 Days of Jewelry Advent Calendar. This is a pop-up exclusive box. They do have a normal subscription and it's monthly and it's amazing. This box is $249 but has $415 worth of jewelry inside. And even the normal subscription is an amazing deal. I think it's $45 a month, and the pieces that we have gotten have been amazing. You can use coupon code PINK10OFF for $10 off the advent calendar. Code PINK gets you a free jewelry case with a 3+ month subscription to the subscription box. Or if you just want to shop the online shop, PINK10 gets you 10% off shop items. So I have 3 great coupon codes for you guys to do some shopping with. I do have the advent calendar link down below in the description, as well as the subscription box link down below. And she said if you ordered this advent calendar box before November 10th, you get an extra bonus item in your box that has a retail value of $25. I don't know if I have this one in here. She just emailed me and said, I have an offer for your people. And I was like, thank you. Let's see. Oh, she did say, as you're looking through this, full spoiler, by the way, full spoiler. If you want this box, you can tell her I want the exact box that Samantha ordered. Use the URL down below. Or you can tell her, I would like a mystery box. I love Samantha's box, but I want a mystery box and I want it to be in all silver or all gold. And then she said she'll try her very best to accommodate those requests. But that only applies to the mystery advent calendar, which is same presentation, same price, just a customization that she's offering you guys. So here is what the box looks like. And she told me that the limited edition advent calendar box with the 12 days of drawers are filled with curated pieces of jewelry, classic and timeless to holiday themed pieces. So there's a mix. 5 necklaces, 4 earrings, 1 bracelet, and 2 pendants. The pieces are made out of high quality, water resistant, gold plated stainless steel or brass, and they're designed to be layered, mixed, and matched. So as I've said, I've had her subscription box for a while. I've worn her pieces for a while. They're outstanding. They wear beautifully. I'm like a little bit nervous because I'm so excited about this box. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. What is it about advent boxes that are just so cute? I would actually like to know, how do you decide when you have a 12-day advent? So like the book club's a 12-day and this is a 12-day. Do you open gifts back to back to back for a certain amount of time? Or do you open a gift every other day? I'm the every other day. So like December 1st, I would open this, then I would skip the 2nd, 3rd, skip the 4th, December 5th, so on and so forth. But I would like to know, what is it that you do? Okay, now I'm about to spoil what comes in these. So if you love this exact one, you can order this exact one, or you can request a mystery. The good thing about my job is that I get to do these type of things. The bad thing about this job is I'm about to open my entire advent calendar right here and now. But I have to commit to myself that I will not wear a single one of these pieces until the date. Okay, what's in box 1? Oh my gosh, super cute. Get festive with this sparkly Snowflake Necklace. Add your own charms or other charms to be included in this collection. I love this. So I'm not gonna like permanently wear it. Just gonna wear it for our video. It's my job to wear it for our video. Oh my gosh. So I have it on the tightest circle. There's 3 different length options. So this is, I think, the shortest. Look how perfect that is. But if you were wearing like a solid color sweater, you could loosen it one more and have it drop down even further. Y'all, this is so good. So I'm gonna put this back in here so I don't lose it. What's number 2? I'm shaking, y'all. I'm so excited. I'm so glad we're doing Advent this year, y'all. I mean, I always do like Bible Advent with my kids, but I've never done Advent with gifts before. Oh, okay. Add this to any of your necklaces in this collection for a festive holiday ensemble. I'm liking this. Can y'all see the charm? It's just the charm. So you could add it to the chain I have right here. I have a very unique, beautiful chain that came in one of my subscription boxes that I would probably add this to. You're not gonna have to worry about having like spots to hang a million necklaces. You can literally have one little box that holds all of your charms and rotate them at your leisure. That's brilliant. So this is box number 3. Oh my gosh. I love this chain. Oh my gosh. So she wrote, this is a personal favorite, the bold textured chain with so much versatility. Wear it by itself, add a pendant, or layer it with other pieces that you're going to see within your collection. Let's put it on. Why not? Let's just put it on. That is gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. So let me just go for like the tightest setting and see what it does. So that's the tightest right there. There's that guy. Where's the other one? I can feel it. Hold on. Oh yeah, I'm wearing, I've got a whole lot of necklaces on now. So there we go. Let me take my actual necklace off. Okay, oh yeah, perfect. Okay, so my necklace is off. Bye. And I have on 2 pieces of the YSM jewelry. They feel good. I love it. Okay. Day 4. Bright and sparkly leaf studded with cubic zirconia stones. Wear it with a rope chain or a snake chain if you want to add a little bit of bling. So gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I have to go look at something. Hold on, give me just a second. So yes, this is what I wanted to see. I already own this charm because I got it in my subscription. So maybe this is a tip. I have not like discussed this with her or anything. If you order the box or you order the mystery box, you can put in a note to say, hey, I'm a current subscriber. I'm getting the Advent box. Try not to send me duplicates. Or don't write that message at all and give the duplicate to somebody who's incredibly special in your life. And it will be like having BFF necklaces, but like the adult version. Because look how cute these are. They're gorgeous. They're high quality. Can you even see a difference? This one that's mine that I got in the subscription box, I have worn it a lot. Like it's been worn, y'all have seen it in my videos. You can see my videos and it still looks outstanding. So just a couple of options I wanted to toss out there for you guys to think about. Let's put that there. That was one of my favorite. I freaked out when I opened that. Oh, and this is the chain. I told you I got a chain from her that's really unique. Look at the chain. It's like this flat-edged, round type connecting chain. I'm sure there's a name that makes sense. I don't know what it is. Number 5 says, a classic piece with a modern twist. I find myself wearing this pair with everything every day. Oh my gosh, these so remind me of my mom. She's exactly right. So I'm just gonna hold up one. This is like throwback Liz Claiborne hardcore 90 earrings. And I am all the way here for it. I love this look. I'm about bringing back the old school looks. These aren't heavy though. Remember back in the day, they were really, really heavy. These are really lightweight. Y'all remember my commitment about not being allowed to wear any of these until I open them one a day? I'm caving. I'm not even done opening it. And I'm totally caving. So here we go. What do y'all think? This set of earrings with this rounded, where's the rounded necklace? With the rounded necklace, a total mood right there. And I am loving it. Ooh, this is one of my favorite chain styles. Let me hold it up for you. This would also go really well with the earrings I'm wearing right now. This herringbone chain necklace is another classic piece and a perfect texture for any layered look. So these are very trendy to layer with these rounded type necklaces in sets of 3. All the rage right now. And this one is really, really pretty. Interchangeable hoops. Leave with or without the charms. It'll be a fun dilemma to decide on and have. Look how cool these are. I love these. So I'm going to the Elton John concert here in San Antonio that's coming up. And I have a great dress, but I really wanted 70s inspired earrings to wear and been trying to decide what I'm gonna do. I am wearing these, 1,000,000% wearing these. These are so perfect and they're so lightweight. Oh my gosh, I love it. My cheeks are actually hurting from smiling so much. What is that on Toy Story? Ah, my cheeks at the very end. That's what I feel like. Oh, mini CZ leaf earring charms. Minis for your hoops that match your pendant. Oh my gosh, my fingernails are bigger than this charm. But there is the charm, the earring charm that matches the necklace charm. And all you have to do is slide the dangly off this earring, slide this on the earring, and you're done. I think that's brilliant. I think that's brilliant. This is my first time to encounter just exchanging the charms. Like, I mean, I guess you could do it at any jewelry shop, but it's never even crossed my mind to not buy more necklaces and not buy more earring bases, but to just get one base and rotate the charms on that one base. That would save so much storage space. 9. Ooh, oh. This paper clip chain necklace is a classic. Wear it by itself for a minimalist look or layer it with other necklaces. So layering this rounded necklace with the paper clip is all the rage. Everybody's doing it. I am very impressed with this balance between very holiday pieces, fall, Christmas, but everyday pieces, as well as tracking with like real trends, like items that are truly trending. I'm just here for it. Like I'm here for this. Oh, this is pretty. Let the North Star necklace be a reminder of the compass, your life's purpose, and your heart's true desires so you can achieve your full potential. So then this is just a great, gorgeous, everyday piece. Both sides, let me turn it around. Both sides have the compass on it. So you don't have to worry about putting it on the right side because even if it flips, it's gorgeous on the other side. And we now have another necklace chain option for our charms. She has put so much attention to detail in thinking this out. I'm very appreciative of the planning alone, not to mention she designs and makes this jewelry. Oh, we're gonna have a little discussion. So it says here, poinsettia threader earrings, dangly and sparkly, what's not to love? Is it poinsettia or poinsettia? Bum, 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 bum. Maybe we can overlay. I say poinsettia. I'm from the South. We have a tendency to just drop letters we don't feel like saying. Poinsettia. but it's actually like spelt poinsettia. Vote below. We're just going to decide on the video. Poinsettia or poinsettia? Poinsettia or poinsettia? Do you vote for one or two? Ooh! These also could be worn with your necklace. And can I tell you, I'm into threader earrings. Big time into threader earrings. That is what the charm looks like. Very, very pretty. If you're not sure what a threader earring is, you literally use this pointed tip, slide through your ear. When it gets to the top, you actually put this hoop part in your ear and it settles in your earlobe and the front dangles. They're really beautiful on. The fact that she put the hoop, like the arched part, is going to make them more comfortable to wear. I have several that don't have the arched part included, and you just push it through and it's not the most comfortable to wear. And our last one, day 12. The bracelet. This is the adjustable leaf bracelet. Dainty yet sparkly bracelet made with adjustable sliders for your convenience, and it matches the earrings and the necklace. So there's the charm, and as you can see, like, here's the bracelet. You just pull this right here, pull it down, and it loosens and tightens. So let me slide it on here. So normally I put the bottom in my teeth like this, and I pull it. Don't know if that's inappropriate to do in my video. Because it has a slider, you could pull it all the way tight to make sure that it stays right there always and never rotates. Or you could pull it a little bit looser and have it just spin around your arm, just in a very casual, chill manner. And this is, I mean, I have super skinny wrist, and you can see I have a big gap right here and a lot of space. This does look like it's gonna fit most wrist. Very dainty. Like, the leaf necklace has got a little more heart to it. The bracelet is very elegant, and I love that. Okay, so you get to choose. You can go order right now and say, I want the exact box that Samantha has. The exact box is $415 in value. You will only pay $249, except for I have a $10 off code that you can use. Pink 10 off will save you 10 bucks. And there's free US shipping. Or you can say, I want the advent calendar, but I want it to be a mystery box and I want it to be all gold or all silver. If you're loving what you're seeing here, this is a glimpse into how fabulous her online shop is, which I have a coupon code for, and the subscription box she sends out monthly, which I have a coupon code for. So maybe this can be a 2-in-1 type thing. Maybe you gift yourself the advent box, but you gift a friend a subscription. If you give them a 3-month subscription, you'll not quite spend $150, and they get gifts in January, February, and March, or December, January, February. It's the gift that keeps on giving, and it is so much fun. Okay. Advent calendar success. I'm going to keep looking, and I'm only going to post the very, very best. I love small business, so this is a very small business. I found her and was like, can I please play with your jewelry? And she said yes. Then I have some bigger ones, like the Once Upon a Book Club Miss Advent box, and I'll see what I find in between. If you have not already, please subscribe to the channel and share this with a friend. It means the world to me when I see you guys share these videos. You can tag them on the video, you can share it on social media, but it means a lot to the business owner that you think that their stuff is so amazing that you would want to tell somebody about it. It really is a very heartwarming thing. What is that Instagram or TikTok that goes around? What's the cheapest or best way you can support a friend? Just tell them about somebody else's business. Like, it costs you nothing to pay it forward and share amazing finds. And so that's kind of what I do here on the channel, and what y'all have the opportunity to join me in doing. If you want to be the first in the know for things, subscribing is the best way, because boxes sell out. We're seeing that a lot right now. They sell out quickly. And then hanging out on our Ask the Pink Envelope private Facebook group is a lot of fun. Okay, you guys, I hope that you're having a very blessed holiday season. And if you subscribe to the channel, I'm going to see you guys later. Bye, y'all.